Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I want to talk to you about the incredible magic of YouTube. We are talking about free traffic. Now, doesn't that sound awesome? Organic traffic. You don't have to pay for it. You don't have to find someone to advertise for you. It is an incredible way to build an entire business, and we teach it. We can show you how, and you can tap into this incredible traffic. It's not hard. It is simple, step-by-step instructions that we train you, and we show you how to build a business as well, and you will reap the benefits. So let me take you to the snapshot of my YouTube channel. Just a sec. Hey guys, we are on my YouTube channel, Share Success Online, and you can see my grandkids around me here. There you go, my sweet granddaughters and my grandsons. And I love to help people be excited to wake up every morning. And you can see I've got some subscribers, and my channel is just doing good. It's building, it's bringing in people to my videos, and that's what you want. And we show you how to do this because our business is training to help you succeed. And let me go to what you get when you join us. Let me go there real quick. All right, here is your fast action bonuses. You get a $100,000 cover letter because this brings in $100,000 yearly and more as you use it. So you get that. You also get a calendar and step-by-step action guide. You get up to 200 professional custom letters for your business, and you get sales converting website. Let's move this up a little bit. Traffic sources that convert. Ongoing training and support. Now this is very important because there is a team of us that work together, that help each other in all kinds of ways. You have no idea that do this to help you create this income, and this support is incredibly important for you. And also there you go with the incredible bonuses that you're going to get with us. Let me go back to my page now. Here is my YouTube channel. So I just want to help you succeed, help you learn how to do this. Real easy to do. We have step-by-step instructions, and we also have an incredible package you will get in the mail from joining our team to getting in our training that will help you so much in your success online. And we just want you to enjoy being able to get up every morning and do what you want to do with your family. So I appreciate you watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and let's do this. Go to my link below and let's get you going. Thanks for watching. Cheryl Traxler from Alaska.